You all know I like to use natural products. There is a company that makes their products here in the USA. Just wait until you see the difference in my face. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. You know that I am picky about what I put on my face and my body, and it better work. I like to use natural products, or as natural as I can. So when it comes to my hair care, I look for products that are made without a lot of chemicals. But when it comes to things that go on my skin or on my body, I really like to make sure that there aren't a lot of chemicals in them. Because our skin is the biggest organ, anything that we put on it gets absorbed and goes right into the bloodstream. This is why, personally, I like to use things that are a lot more natural on my body. I didn't know that there was a company in North Carolina, in the United States, that made everything here. The Hazelwood soap company reached out to me before I got sick, so I agreed that I would love to try their products. And of course, they came to me when I was in the hospital, I think the second time. So I wasn't able to use them until it was more like the end of January, and I really started to use their products in earnest. I was blown away. They sent me 4 different products. This is the hyaluronic acid serum. You can see there is only a half a bottle left. I have been using this fairly faithfully, and you guys know I'm not always the best at faithful, but I have been faithful doing the serum. I can't get over how much smaller, I don't even know the word to use, how reduced these deeper lines are. And even my scarecrow, oh my God, I am overtired. My crow's feet even look better. I don't know if anything is going to help right here around my mouth, but you know, aside from getting a facelift, which I could really use for my turkey neck. When it comes to putting things on our body, I like that there are only 12 ingredients in this serum. Only 12, that's it. This is also unscented. So if you are sensitive to fragrance, you won't be offended. You won't have a problem with it. Now, they use 3 different weights of hyaluronic acid. They use the light one, the medium, and the fat one. The reason they do that is because the different weights target different layers of skin. The smaller the molecule, the deeper into your skin it can go and do what it needs to do. And in this case, it's to get rid of wrinkles. And firm. They use algae to boost collagen production. They use arnica, which helps to smooth and even out your skin tone, helps to reduce irritation, reduce swelling, and if you are into homeopathic, you know about Arnica montana. They use kakadu plum extract, which we've heard a lot about lately. This is a superfruit. It's high in vitamin C. This helps to brighten, fade dark spots, and up the collagen production. And they use an extra vitamin C, which helps to even out your skin tone and boost that collagen again, because we need that collagen to go way up. I really think this has a lot to do with my lines being less visible. The next product they sent me is Restoration Cream. This only has 10 ingredients. And it's so fluffy and light. This absorbs into my skin so fast that there is no greasy afterfeel. This is meant for dry, sensitive, and stressed skin, which we know my skin has been very stressed lately. This cream helps to protect, nourish, and repair. There are no synthetic additives. It has no fragrance, so it is good for men and women. I used this after the hospital. I had these weird rash things. They were like rough, dry patches where they had those, sticky adhesive things that they were monitoring my heart. Since I had nothing better to do, I ran a test. I left one naked and the rest got the cream. They were gone in 3 days. The one that was my control rash, that lasted 5 or 6 days. This definitely helped repair it a lot faster. This is perfect for eczema-prone skin after waxing or shaving. Also, if you have dry, cracked skin, this is perfect. It's even better if you like clean skincare. This is meant for everybody's skin. An all-inclusive restoration cream. They use organic, raw, and unrefined shea butter, almond, olive, and avocado oils, and vegetable glycerin. We know from the previous video I did about glycerin will help to pull moisture into your skin. Last but not least is their versatile washes. This is amber and sparkling apple. Amber is the one that I really wanted because I love amber. I mean, I have the amber paste upstairs. It's one of my favorite fragrances. I like it because it's woody, earthy, and musky. I'm not big into frou-frou, sweet, or florally, so this is right up my alley. They do use a touch of jasmine and ozone. Then it kind of fades into sandalwood, patchouli, leather. It's a very warm fragrance. I just love it. I love it. For years, over a decade, easily. I always liked the stone. Then I figured out I liked the fragrance. They use exfoliating jojoba beads. This is a very mild exfoliant, and it's very rich in natural oils. This is also paraben-free, and again, everything is made in the USA right here. I have been using the Versatile Wash as my shower gel. We had a very rough winter around here, very dry. And normally in the winter time, it doesn't matter what kind of wash I use, my skin always flakes. Not with this. Even when I forgot to put on body lotion or oil, I didn't have flakes. I always have flakes. The next thing that I want to try from them is their regular body lotion, because again, they have fragrances and I want the amber. This way I can layer my fragrance. Because you guys know, I don't recommend products if I don't believe in them, if I don't find that they actually work. This actually works. So I am now an affiliate for the Hazelwood soap company. I will put my affiliate link down below in the descriptions and pinned in the comments for your convenience. Yes, they did send me these for free. I didn't pay for them. Full disclosure. Well, my curlies, until my next video. Cheers and ciao for now. Well, hazelnut. Because of the wonderful things she does. Because they use kakadu plum extract. Kakadu. They use kakadu plum extract. This is a super fruit, and this helps. Excuse me, Pigette. I haven't done that in a long time.